Hi Dress-Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw this super cute octopus from Squishmallows. Just like the dolphin one that I just drew, Perry. I love the color on this one. It's just these new series has these beautiful colors and I just can't wait to show this to you and draw it for you. But before I start, oh, it's so soft. Before I start, of course, I have to show you why it looks like an octopus. So, ta-da! Look at all these awesome tentacles on there. Super cute, right? And of course, I have to have the smaller size. So here she is. Oh, let me put this one down. This is the smaller one where I can just fit her in my palm. So cute, right? And I can wear it as a hat because you just have to wear it as a hat. It just looks like a hat, right? Okay, before I get carried away, get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and let's get started. To draw this octopus, we're going to start by drawing its body. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of its head. So all the way around. So about that much. And now that it's pretty much even on both sides, I'm going to start to bring down this curve. So we're basically aiming to draw kind of like a dumpling shape that I give to all my Draw Secure characters, except this one's going to be longer. So we're just going to bring it down more. Nice round squishmallow. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in on both sides. So then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a flatter curve at the bottom, all the way across. From there, I'm going to come to the center and about right here, I'm just going to draw a small little curve for the smile. So about right here, draw a little curve and cap it off. And then from there, I'm going to come to the side of this smile and draw a circle. So about right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So about right here. There. Now let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom and same thing over here. There. Now let's come above the eye. We're going to draw a soft little curve lightly over each eye. And then let's come to the bottom right here. We're going to draw a big curve at the bottom for the belly area. So I'm going to start, say about right here. And I'm just going to go up with a curve towards my center, which is going to be my highest point. So about right there. Then I'm going to start to bring it down. All the way back. And then now let's make it look like an octopus, right? Let's add the tentacles. So I'm going to start right here, approximately where I started to curve in. Then I'm going to come right here and start to draw the tentacles. So it's kind of like drawing petals on a flower. So let's just say we're going to add one right here. From there, now that I have this one, I'm going to come to the other side and draw the other one, just so that it can be pretty even in the center. So, kind of like where I started the other side, I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to do the same thing. Try my best to make it approximately the same size, so say about right here. And come in. Now I can fit two more in the center, so let's give it a little bit space, and we're just going to do the same thing. And one more, so about right here. There, now we have four in, and I'm going to draw one on the side here so it looks like it's all the way around. So about right here, I'll just pop in a smaller one. just to make it look like it goes all the way around. There. That's so cute, right? Okay, and then from there we're pretty much done, except I'm going to add a little heart right here. So now it's my draw, so cute, octopus from Squishmallows. So now that we're done with the drawing, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you guys loved my drawing of this super cute octopus for Squishmallows, and you'll give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please check out my Squishmallows playlist for more Squishmallows drawings, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.